from 9 September 2022 to the 10th of September at the Bharat Mandapa at New Delhi. As of 2023, there are 21 members unions. Now, the chairperson, Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will greet the dignitaries one by one. Please join your hands together for our respected Prime Minister.
आह्वान करता है कि हम मिलकर सबसे पहले इस ग्लोबल ट्रस्ट एनर्जी को एक विश्वास, एक भरोसे में बदले। यह हम सभी के साथ मिलकर चलने का समय है और इसलिए सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, सबका प्रयास का मंत्र हम सभी के लिए एक पथ प्रदर्शक बन सकता है। मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी इस G20 समिट में आप सबका स्वागत करता हूँ। कैसे हैं आप? हमें बहुत उम्मीदें हैं आपसे। हमें विश्वास है कि आप इस पूरे क्षेत्र का विकास करेंगे।
Now, firstly, the Prime Minister will greet the respected President of the United States of America, Joe Biden. Now the Prime Minister will greet the President of Australia. Now the Prime Minister will shake hands with the respected President of Brazil, Luiz da Silva. The respected President of Canada, Justin Trudeau. Prime Minister will shake hands with the respected President of China, Xi Jinping. Emmanuel Macron.
아마 전시를 무시하게 먹게 하는 거.
Now the Prime Minister will shake hands with the President of the European Commission, Ursula von der Leyen. Now the Prime Minister will shake hands with the respected President of Indonesia, Joko Widodo.
Hello everyone, myself Joko Widodo, the President of Indonesia. Our country has a heritage for architectural remains of Hindu Buddhism. We will promote energy transition towards true and sustainable energy.
The Prime Minister will greet the respected Prime Minister of Italy, Giorgia Meloni. The Prime Minister will shake hands with the respected Prime Minister of Japan, Fumio Kishida. Respected President of Russia, Vladimir Putin.
As you say, Modi ji.
Respected King of Saudi Arabia, Salman bin Abdul Aziz.
थोड़ा तेल सस्ता करवा दीजिए। कभी भी मोदी जी आप होती तो तेल फ्री करवा देती।
The Prime Minister will greet the respected President of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa. Now the Prime Minister will greet the respected President of Turkey.
Absolutely not.
the respective Prime Minister will shake hands with the respective President of Argentina.
चेंज कर
दामाद जी, हमारा कोहिनूर कैसा है? बस वापस भेज रहे हैं। रोटी जल्द मोदी जी, जय सिया राम।
Our motto for this year is